Hello folks. This is my brief narration on, or introduction, sorry, on who I am and, why I'm in education and all that good stuff and where I am at, in terms of being, using technology as an educator. So my name is Munoz Plasencia. I have my BA in anthropology from UC Santa Cruz and MA in anthropology from, Cal State University in Long Beach, and I have a minor in education from, UC Santa Cruz, and, also, getting my credential. Single service credential in social sciences, here at Cal State Fullerton. My interest, I have a few interests. I'm a big farmer. I love farming. But I guess, in terms of using the academic language, I'm very interested in, what we call paleoethnobotany and the environment, meaning this idea of like this connection between humans and seeds, ecology and whatnot. And my second interest is education, through the lens of critical pedagogy and liberation theology. I'm a big, fan of Paulo Freire and Miles Horton, the Highlander schools in the South, and also how they've influenced education today and inspired a lot of growth in our direction as educators. So I like this quote by Paulo Freire. It says, "The greatest humanistic and historical task of the oppressed is to liberate themselves." And I feel like this is the liberation, happens through education, right? And through becoming, proper advocates or just advocates in general about what their general interests are. Now, my ISD standards for educators, so I want to say I'm, an integrated, innovating facilitator. For example, I try to foster culture where students take ownership of their learning through project-based learning, using collaborative assignments to utilize online databases to research and model and nurture creativity and expression. I'm also a digital citizen. For example, I try to promote socially responsible contributions and practices. I'm using empathetic behavior, using PBIS, so positive behavior intervention and support types of theories. I focus on building communities of learners and foster curiosity and critical examination using online resources. And in terms of one of the standards, the student standards that I believe to be most important would be the being a knowledge constructor, meaning that having accurate, credible, and gaining perspective and having relevant learning materials and making them relevant to themselves is important, and using this knowledge to explore real world issues. So like the purpose of education should be to use in the real world, so that's kind of my big focus. So yeah, that application is very important. So real world issues is important. So thank you folks, and I look forward to a good semester.